Mohammed Ramesh.
I Angel.
And I Sabrina.
From SNEH International School present the air cleanser, a device to clean the air and protect your health. Air pollution can be released from different sources, and different sources of air pollution release different types of air pollution which can harm the lungs.
The quality of indoor environment where we spend most of our time is also affected by indoor and outdoor sources of pollution. Indoor air pollution can be worse than outdoor air pollution as the pollutants accumulates and reach higher concentration in enclosed spaces. To address this problem, we have implemented an air cleanser which can purify the air in your homes, schools or any other enclosed spaces.
The fan draws the air into the device where the filter filters 99.97% of the pollutants. Rest 0.3% are either microbes or larger in diameter. Then purified air is released through a second vent. The I2C display will tell you the quality of air coming in and the quality of air going out. The quality of air in enclosed environment is usually 295, while the quality of air coming out of the filter is 95. This shows you how effective our filter is. The filter is reusable and easily be replaced. The fan has a variable speed and the other components in the device are protected by sunboard, a biodegradable material. This is the working of our project. As you can see here, the RGB lights turn green to ensure the quality of air going out is safe. This is the 360-degree view of our project.